Now here's the next video. I'm gonna boot up. I haven't done the upgrade as yet. We're gonna see how long this takes to get to the start screen. That was very long. That was very long. So after the upgrade, I'll do a next video and see if it makes any progress.